Hello everyone, let us see how to add alt text for image on LinkedIn posts. First of all, let's go to posts. Okay, then on the main body text, let's say for example, hi everyone. Okay, then let's add a photo. This is a photo of mine. Select the photo that you want, then press next. Then here at the right bottom there is an alt text button. Just press it. Then it's here there is an edit box that we should put a text, an alternative text for the image. This is the crucial part. So type the image description. For instance, this is the image description for this image. I have pasted from what I have copied. So press done. Then let's press next. This is a preview post. So after we did this, we can just press post button, but for the purpose of this tutorial I will just want to schedule this post, and I want to show you how the screen reader announce the post. So let me schedule the posts. Then let me make the time. Okay, I will schedule the post. I have already scheduled the post. Let me go to the post, to the scheduled post. Go to scheduled post, press view scheduled post. This is the post that we have made recently. Let's click it. Okay, so let me check whether the image has an alt text through a screen reader. Let me start my screen reader.
Talkback on. Link image description.
Okay, let us press the image that we have posted. Let me click it through my finger.
Image description. Escalu, a young Ethiopian man with black hair and a thin mustache. He is wearing a blue button-up shirt with a small red and white pattern and is facing straight toward the camera with a neutral expression button.
Yeah, this is the image description, and let me press the main body text part.
Hi everyone.
It said hi everyone. The blue bar indicates the screen reader focus area. Okay, let me again press my image.
Image description. Escalu, a young Ethiopian man with black hair and a thin mustache. He is wearing a blue button-up shirt with a small red and white pattern and is facing straight toward the camera with a neutral expression. Button.
Yeah, this is how to make an alternate text for image on LinkedIn post. Let me show you a LinkedIn post without an image, without an alt text, and I will show you how the screen reader announce when there is no an alternate text. Let me turn off the screen reader.
Accept. Talk back off.
Okay, again let's go to the post. Okay, press post tab, then on the main body part let me say hello. Okay, then let's me add a photo. Let me use this photo, the previous photo. Press next. Then I will not add an alt text, just I will press done. Then I don't want to post it right now, so I will schedule it. Okay, after I scheduled, okay, sorry, what happened? Okay, I already scheduled it, then press next. Okay, then let me press schedule post. Then let me go to the post, schedule posts, view schedule posts. This is the posts that we have made recently without an alternate text. Let me open it. Oh, the internet problem. Here it has opened, so let me check it through screen reader. Let me turn the screen reader on.
Talk back on. No alternative text description for this image. Button.
Yes, when I click or press the image, it said me
No alternative text description for this image. Button.
no alternative text for this image description for this image. Let me press the main body part.
Hello.
Yes, the main body text part says hello, and let me press the image.
No alternative text description for this image. Button.
Yes, there is no alternative text for this image. So we should always add an alternative text for image when we post on our social media, and this is how to add alternate text for images for LinkedIn posts. Thank you for watching. I am Aschalo. Goodbye.